Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to talk about a really useful tool called TidyCal. If you are someone who books meeting online, either you are a freelancer, coach or business owner, this tool can save you a lot of time. Let's get started. At first, we will know what is TidyCal. TidyCal is a simple one-line casual tool that helps you book meetings without all the back and forth emails. It shows your available time slots and people can book meeting with you based on your schedule. Now we will know about TidyCal main features. Let's look at some of the best features of TidyCal. Easy to use. The interface is clean and beginner friendly. Calendar integration. You can connect Google Calendar or Outlook. Free and paid meeting. You can allow people to book free calls or even charge for your time using PayPal or Stripe. Multiple booking times on one meetings, group meetings or different duration. Custom bookings links. You get a personalized booking page to share with clients. Now we will know about TidyCal versus calendly. You might have a heard of calendly, right? Well, TidyCal is similar, but the best part is TidyCal is available for a one-time payment, no monthly or yearly subscriptions. I will show you everything step by step. Don't worry, this makes it perfect for people who want to save money but still look professional. We will know who should use TidyCal. If you are a freelancer, consultant, coach, online teacher, or anyone who needs to casual meeting regularly, TidyCal can make your life easier and save your time. Now we will know about TidyCal price. You can get TidyCal for a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Pay once and use it forever. This is way cheaper than other tools that charge monthly. And yes, you still get updates and support. Now we will know about TidyCals at a glance. Best for marketing agencies, product managers, sales managers. Alternative to Calendly, Doodle. Integrations Google, PayPal, Stripe, Zapier, Zoom. Features GDPR complaint. Now I share with you my personal experience with TidyCal. I personally tried TidyCal and I love how quick it was to set up. Within 10 minutes, I had my calendar connected and a booking link ready to share. It's super useful if you want to focus more on your work and less on casual. If you want to know about TidyCal with me, overall I highly recommended TidyCal. It's simple, affordable and gets the job done. If you are looking for a great booking tool, this could be the one for you. If you want to check out TidyCal, I have added the link in the description below. Let me know in the comments what you think and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.